Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML computer code elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the KBD elements. The HTML KBD element for keyboard input. The HTML KBD element is used to define keyboard input. The content inside is displayed in the browser's default monospace font. As you can see in this example, when we define some text as keyboard input in a document, inside here we are having p opening and closing p tag along with what our text. Inside the text we now create kbd element, opening and closing kbd element, and now we now give it Ctrl+S. that is, save the document by pressing Ctrl+S. You are going to see the way it look. The result is going to look like this. The Ctrl+S is going to have the monospace font. So quickly, let me show you how this works. So quickly, back to our document. We are having an empty document right now, and let's see how it looks in our browser. As you can see, it's empty right now. Back to our document. Let's quickly write some code, some text here. So save. Let's write save the document by pressing Ctrl CTR. Let's give it CTR plus 2, Ctrl 2. Let's just say Ctrl U or Ctrl A. So let's give it Ctrl A. Now let's enclose it with our KBD. Let's enclose it with our KBD element. Now give it KBD. Can enclose it like that. This one is going to be like this. Let's save our document and reload it. Can you see how it's looking? Ctrl+A, the way it's looking. As you can see right here, we're having Ctrl+S, right? As you can see the way it looks. And also you can see this one also. You can see the way it looks, Ctrl+A. So that's what we are trying to do. And in our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can still control this thing very well, much better than this. As you can see the way the font, see the way the font looks. It looks different to the save the document by pressing. So in the next tutorial, we can still change. I can still show you how we can change the font, how you can do many things with it. So let's just get going gently like this, because we are coming from beginners to advanced level. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.